Hello world travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Discover It Miles credit card. With several credit cards keeping track of bonus categories and activating categories that change every 3 months, great effort must be put forth to earn significant miles from credit card spending. The Discover It Miles credit card is a good alternative to take into consideration if you're looking for something easier. It's a travel card distinguished as a cashback card. With some travel credit cards, you can choose to use your points or miles for cashback instead of travel, although doing so usually results in a reduced points value. The Discover It Miles is an impressive exception. No matter if you use your miles to pay for travel or redeem them for cashback, each one you earn with the card is worth 1 cent. For every $1 spent, the card offers unlimited 1.5 miles. The more extensive rewards program and opulent travel bonuses offered by some of its rivals are absent from this credit card, which doesn't demand spending to be maximized in any one category. Because of the redemption choices and special sign-up bonus, this is a fantastic low-cost alternative for travelers who don't travel frequently but want a credit card that's easy to use. A more robust travel card, however, might be more advantageous for frequent travelers, especially if they frequently travel abroad. Your good credit score must be between 670 and 850, which is considered to be either good or excellent in order to be approved for this credit card, which has no annual fee. Like many other card issuers, Discover enables you to freeze and unfreeze your account as necessary and to check your credit report online or via a mobile app. Furthermore, you will never be held liable for unlawful charges and the business will let you know if there is any questionable activity. Discover provides telephone, online or mobile customer assistance from its US-based offices. Additionally, it offers standard benefits like Social Security number monitoring, $0 fraud liability on unauthorized charges, 24/7 US-based customer service, a year-end summary, a free FICO credit score, and Discover Identity Alert and account monitoring. It also has some additional advantages like no late fees on your first late payment, no foreign transaction fees, no penalty APR, and no penalty fees for late payments. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Discover It Miles credit card. Here are the pros. Earned first-year points are matched. Options for flexible reward redemption. Good introductory 0% discount on purchases. There is no international transaction fee. There's no annual fee. Now for the cons. A card that is not appropriate for regular travellers. A mediocre balance transfer introductory APR offer. Discovery is not commonly accepted worldwide. No luxuries when travelling. Must have high to exceptional credit. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. At the end of the first year that you have owned it, this card automatically matches all of the miles that you have accrued. There is no prerequisite for the bonus and no cap on the amount that may be earned. If you use the card even sometimes, this bonus might end up being extremely useful. For instance, if you are charged $2,000 per month on this card, you would accumulate 72,000 points overall, bonus points included, over the course of the year. When used for a vacation or cashback, that is worth $720. Based on the fact that each mile is worth 1 cent and taking into consideration the match bonus, which doubles those benefits after the first year after the account is opened, new cardholders can earn an effective rate of 3% on this card during the first year. When the first year is over, the effective rate returns to 1.5%. The fact that you won't receive a credit to your account until the end of the year is a relative drawback to the bonus offer. Some other cards, like the Capital One Venture one, provide cash or point bonuses that you can receive within the first few months of obtaining the card, and that normally involves spending less, no more than a few $100s, than you would with the Discover It Miles to achieve the same benefit. Points can be easily accumulated by using the Discover It Miles credit card. Each $1 spent by cardholders in an unlimited number of transactions instantly earns them 1.5 miles. It is the equivalent of getting 1.5% cashback on all transactions when miles are converted to cashback or used to pay for travel. It is not limited to how many miles can be accumulated. Once 1 mile is earned, it can be exchanged for cash, made as an electronic deposit into a bank account, or used as a statement credit toward a travel purchase. The value of each approach is 1 penny per mile. Commercial airline tickets Hotel rooms, car rentals, cruises, tour operators, and vacation packages purchased through airlines, travel agents, and online travel sites, as well as local and suburban commuter transportation, including ferries, passenger railways, taxis, and limousines, and charter tour bus lines, are all examples of recent purchases that qualify as travel purchases. Within 180 days of incurring eligible charges for travel expenses, you may use your miles to reduce those costs. The miles are always valid with this credit card. If the account is cancelled or not utilised for 18 months, Discover will credit the account with the rewards balance. It is crucial to make the most of the limitless bonus offer during the first year if you want to maximise the benefits of this card's rewards. You can achieve that by making all of your transactions with this card, from groceries to airfares. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 9 out of 10. The benefits also 9 out of 10. The no annual fee is 10 out of 10, and customer service I would rate as another 10 out of 10. As long as you charge a lot of money to the Discover It Miles credit card in the first year, it's a respectable choice for individuals looking for an easy-to-use card that offers respectable recurring benefits and a hefty bonus. After 12 months of account establishment, new cards receive twice the miles they've accrued, effectively bringing the card's rewards rate to 3 miles per dollar spent during that first year. Anyone wishing to earn rewards on their spending but who doesn't want to worry about maximising redemptions or remembering which purchases generate bonus miles should use the Discover It Miles. This is so that you can earn 1.5 miles for every dollar you spend using your Discover It Miles card, and you can redeem your miles for 1 cent each, no matter how you choose to do so. As a result, you won't need to stress about optimizing your mileage while redeeming it, or remembering to use a specific card for a particular category of purchases. The Discover It Miles is a great program for beginners because of some of its features, such as waiving the late fee on your first late payment and making earning and using miles simple. Users with weaker credit ratings may have a better probability of approval for this card than for compatible cards provided by other users. Families may find this card appealing because of the additional features, including the option to customize your card's look and the quick and simple ability to freeze your account. If you don't want to pay an annual fee or international transaction fees and prefer receiving cashback over transversable points or miles, the Discover It Miles card is a particularly smart alternative. With its 0% APR offer, you may also extend the interest-free period for new purchases made during that year and earn a little after 15 months. Due to its flexibility and ability to be used for both travel and cashback at the same rate, the Discover It Miles stands out among no-fee travel cards. For tourists who stay away from home more often than not, it isn't the ideal choice. However, it's worth taking into account if you're a traveller searching for a card with minimal upkeep and flexible rewards. Remember that those who don't appreciate making large purchases will find the Discover It Miles card to be very useful. You gain money right away because there isn't an annual fee to reduce your benefits. However, those who make larger purchases might benefit from a card that levies a fee but provides a higher rewards rate. I suggest that you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the Discover It Miles credit card. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember that credit cards are fun when played strategically.